Good morning, ma'am. I am Rose Marispo from BSIT FSM 2A. No Limit Tangere. Jose Rizal book Unquestionable, a masterpiece of literature. As I go more into the novel's structure and plotline, it strikes to me that this work by Dr. Rizal is in fact a social and political satire. The story vividly shows the Philippines' present socio-political situation and struggle both before and during his time. The novel's characters are closely related to those who live in our current culture. Both the film and the text are fascinating to see or read. The author carefully selected the individuals and their characteristics to reflect every level of Spanish colonial society in the Philippines. Through the figures of Father Damaso and Father Salvi, the tyranny and prejudice of the church and its clerics were vividly depicted. Capitan Tiago or Santiago de los Santos, the father of Maria Clara, epitomized how Indios will influence over society elites by throwing big parties and gatherings. For the preservation of his economic interest, he became a puppet of both the church and the government. Modern Capitan Tiagos are businessmen who support politicians' political campaigns in order to gain government influence and corporate contacts. The currently of the chief of the constabulary guards known as El Alferez to indigenous and the Indios Revolution through revolt and subversion in the personification of Elias was a clear and compelling indication resolution of the era's class conflict. Nonetheless, this portrayal of such civilization may still be found even in current time. There are still those who choose to go the countryside and wage war through rebellion and reservation due the continued proliferation of violence, corruption, and oppression not anymore from a foreign rule, but from their own people. This is the materiality of one Rizal prophetic words that he near future the slaves will be the one who will enslave their fellow countrymen.